Doing a little holiday shopping at Hobby Lobby. Holiday shopping, speaking of which, oh my gosh, where has the time gone? Where's the year gone? That's November 2025. No, 2025 is almost over. It just blows my mind how fast this year's gone. But anyway, we're at Hobby Lobby, doing a little holiday shopping, kind of getting ready for the Black Friday sale, all that good stuff. Get some stuff bought while the wife is out getting something in Hobby Lobby. I'm going through the model kits and seeing what they've got. Got a lot of neat stuff for the kids, a lot of neat stuff for us adults, a lot of neat stuff. I think you're going to like what they've got. Those pre-painted bodies, those are excellent for kids. If you're looking for trying to get some kids involved in the hobby, those are great kits to get. That Chevy Apache pickup truck, another great kit. On 40% off, man, you can't beat that. I hear a lot of people complaining that the kits are too much money now. I don't know. I'm seeing the prices in the 20s and $30 some dollar range, and then take 40% off that. I think it's a great price. That Jeep is a nice kit. That Foose Ford pickup truck is an excellent kit, and there's some new tooling right there. The new Corvette, that's a great kit, and that Z28, it's a snap kit. A kid can build that, or an adult can build a really nice kit out of that Z28 also. They got some nice kits. I was really surprised. I haven't been in Hobby Lobby for quite a while. And like I said, the wife took off shopping, and I says, "Hon," I says, "I'm going to the model aisle." She said, "Okay. Take your Christmas list and write down some stuff you want." I said, "That'll work." Oh, the 71 Dodge Demon. I don't have one of those, so I am definitely writing that down on my Christmas list. Old Deserter kit. That's a good old kit. 67 Mustang. There's a good kit right there. The Nova. That 66 Nova. What's that thing priced at? I ain't seeing a price. Oh, heck. I don't see a price on it. Maybe we'll come across another one. There's your average price right there, and then take 40% off that. Yeah, those are good prices. You're getting a model kit in a $20-some range. Stranger Things kit, there's a new kit out. That little trailer is a neat little trailer with a reefer on it. I think that Charger kit's a new tooling also. Look at that thing. That's pretty wild. That old dinosaur. Kids love dinosaurs. If you're looking for a cool kit for a kid, this is the place to come and get some Christmas gifts during your holiday shopping. The 55 Chevy, that's a great kit. I've built that. It is on my channel. You have to check it out and see how it comes. Oh, hey, there's the price on the Nova. Look at that. What's that? $23? And then take 40% off that. Where's that put you? $15 maybe? I don't know. It's pretty cheap. Great prices. Another great kit, that Dodge truck. You get that mini bike. If they sold the mini bike alone, it'd be $20. 67 GTO. There's a nice Chevelle right there. The old Warlock. Well, what's behind the old Warlock? Ah, the Bronco. That's a new tooling also, that Bronco kit. Bronco kit goes together excellent. I've built one of those. Another kit I've built, that 60 Ford F100. Another nice kit. Another nice kit, the hauler. You get all that. And speaking of hauler, right there, I built a couple of those, and I even showed you how to get rid of the dual axle in the back and go with single axle. The tank, if you got a tank person on your list or you're wanting to try tanks, that is the best tank to start off building. It's a very simple, basic tank. I recommend that tank over the M48 tank. That Tamiya tank is an excellent tank. Goes together great. Got some nice semis to choose from. The old Peterbilt 359. That's a good old kit. Everyone's been asking for the Alaskan hauler. There it is. Ah, these motorcycles. These are excellent kits. I've bought probably a dozen of those over the years for my son. He built them. They go together great. You can play with them out in the sandbox, do whatever. They're very rugged, excellent motorcycle kits for a kid. They are very nice kits. Little overall view, and we aren't done. I got some more stuff to show you. Oh, yeah, the Gundams. I wanted to show you these. They are really getting into the Gundams. If you got someone that's wanting to get into modeling, get them a Gundam kit. They go together great. Got all kinds of cool Gundams here. All new Gundams. I haven't seen these Gundams at all. Last time I was at a Hobby Lobby, they did not have any of these Gundams. Pretty excited seeing these. And they're fun to build. I've built a few of these on my channel also. Got a few Gundams built. I don't show all my Gundams I build because you guys are like me. We're into cars. I don't really want to see a Gundam video. There's some good airplanes right there to get a kid to build. Those build up nice. They're already pre-painted. In just a couple short hours, they got a cool airplane built. And again, 40% off that price there. Cannot beat it. More airplanes. Of course, these are glue kits. More Gundams. That one looked intriguing. That one's neat looking. I like that. I don't see what all behind it. I always like pulling the kits out to see what's behind it. Never know. Someone might be hiding a cool kit behind one of the other kits. There's some smaller kits you can get into that are Star Wars if you're looking for something smaller. Cute little kit right there. More Gundams. I'm telling you, they got a great selection of Gundams. I was impressed. I mean, for a Hobby Lobby. I mean, this isn't a hobby shop that's selling model kits. It's just an overall place. But hey, I'm glad they've got these. You know, good prices on the kits too. And again, take 40% off them prices. Man, you're in good. But again, where's the time gone? This is already November. A little holiday shopping. Writing down some stuff on my Christmas list, wish list to give the wife. Hopefully she'll come back and get me a few of these kits. I think she will. Never know. I'd add a couple extra too on the list. More Gundams. Cool Gundam kits. I'm getting ready to do 2 Gundams. I picked up 2 different Gundam kits about a month ago. And I'm getting ready to do those this winter. The old Jolly Roger. The old B-25J Mitchell. That's a good old kit. The Huey gunship. Helicopter. More Gundams. That's cool looking. I like that. That's neat. Telling you, those Gundams, man, they're where it's at. If you haven't built one, built one. If you got a kid wanting something that you don't know what to get them a Gundam. Get them into model building. There's some cool Star Wars stuff. Build a couple of them ATSTs. Those build up very nice. Another nice kit you can get a kid. Or you get it and build it. I built 2 of them Y-Wings. Those are nice kits. I happen to have 2 of them there. The AT-ATs, I built 1 of those. Those build up nice. Supplies. People are always asking about supplies. And say, man, I don't have a hobby shop around. I don't know where to get some supplies. Go here to Hobby Lobby. Pick some stuff up. They got the basic supplies. Cutters. You need cutters if you're going to do a model kit. And we can just snip off the part right off the tree and have a nice clean cut. Them little snippers are pretty safe to use. They clip off the parts pretty nice. That's what I use, just those basic little snippers. Nice little paint set. Good bargain for that paint set. Get a bunch of paints for a cheap price. Clips, sanding sticks, paint brushes, tape, little palettes, pipettes, magnifying glasses. Those are cool. You can put your parts on a stick and then stick the stick inside that block so the parts can dry. All different glues. Bunch of different glues. I got a pretty cool video in my archives you might want to check out. The glues I use and why. I show you what glues I use and why I use them, which is the important thing. All different paints. Getting into one of my favorite paint lines as far as spray cans go, right there. At Tester's One Shot Paint, love those paints. Those spray bomb cans right there, love them. Extreme lacquers or one shots, whatever you want to call them from Testers, love those. I love those paints. They are my favorite as far as spray painting goes. Got some more stuff. Not done yet. Not done. Bear with me. A few things locked up. People ask about a basic starter airbrush. They've got them there at Hobby Lobby. A few things locked up that's more expensive. And while you're at it, check out a puzzle for this winter. Get a car puzzle. Pick up a car puzzle. Something cool that you can do with the family. Hey, it's automotive related. I love building puzzles, especially when I find a cool car puzzle like those. And speaking of paintbrushes, if you didn't like what paintbrushes were there on the rack, go to the paintbrush aisle and they've got tons of sets, like right there. That's a lot of times where I get my paintbrushes. Right there. Magnifying glasses that you can put on the end of your workbench, and paint palettes, little cups and stuff. Display cases. Want to put your model in something? They've got all kinds of different display cases. Sometimes that top display case on the top left, I'll buy those and put my semis in them, or I'll buy one of those and put some smaller builds in it as well. But definitely check out their display cases. And don't forget their aisle of the trains and diorama stuff. And then you have rockets. Rockets are always cool. Highly recommend a rocket. I'm wanting to buy a few rockets anyway and shoot some off. Train sets, just a few basic train sets, a few basic train supplies, some scratch building materials. These photo etch little kits are pretty cool. And this one here has caught my eye. That little postal Jeep, which is kind of cool. I think that'd be kind of cool to have one as a daily driver and wrap it in something cool. But yeah, definitely get some of these kits or go there and take advantage of the prices. Because I'm telling you, man, those prices are excellent. Again, look at that price and then take 40% off. More paints. A lot of people like using these craft acrylic paints. They've got a huge aisle of those, and they're anywhere from $1 to $2 a piece. And then wooden plaques. These wooden bases or plaques, you can use these wooden plaques as bases. You can paint it or shellac it or do whatever and put your model on it. It looks great. And if you want to get really rustic, they got the rustic bases right there you can use. But just another idea to put your model on. But yeah, check out Hobby Lobby. Check out what they've got. They've got a lot of cool stuff. I think you'll be happy. And we will see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.